Right, and guys, going to show you how to fit the T5 rear corner bar. We've gone for the gloss black. The kit that you'll need for this is a 10mm and 13mm ratchet and spanner. I'm going to show you where this plate will go. You'll have two 13mm bolts and three 10mm. You've got the two smaller ones and the one longer one. And the fixing points, you'll have your plate for these two holes. You'll have an existing thread here on this corner, and then you'll have a hole here for the next bracket. Right, first of all, you'll use these two nuts and bolts and washers for the plate. These are size 10, so that'll go in that existing point there. Remember the washers on the back. Remember doing this finger tight only at the beginning, and then when everything's on, we'll go around and tighten everything up. So I'm going to start off with the long thread, the long 10mm. That goes in this existing point here in the centre. Just start it off finger tight. This is quite tricky, so you're better off getting an extra pair of hands just to hold it in place. So it's got it, then we'll move on to the other ones and get it all lined up. Right, I'm going to go over onto at the back of the wheel. This is on the passenger side. As you can see, this is all finger tight, so it will allow you to move it about. Again, always finger tight, and then at the end of it, when you're about to tighten everything up, you move it all, put it into position. Make sure it all looks good. And for this one, you have an existing point. You need to go up through the top and then down. Right, as you can see, this is fitted. It's still only hand tight. We're fortunate to have a ramp at our place, but it's easily done just from the jacking point. You can see it's all on. And all you've got to do now is get underneath, get your ratchet and spanner, just go around, tighten everything up. I'm not going to go all the way. This is just video purpose only.